The CBI team in Kolkata is about to reach and will take over in just a short while the case from Bengal police that over the past 4 to 5 days, remember, has been able to investigate a bit. One accused has been arrested, but many, those working and those who've known the doctor have said that's not enough. They believe it's a cover-up. Suryagini, what will be the difference in how the CBI investigates? What happens here on? What are the challenges that CBI will have to look at right now in this case? And why CBI if the Bengal police was already investigating the matter?
Well, the family wanted the CBI. Apart from the political parties, it was the family that wanted the CBI. And precisely that's the reason why they, went to the High Court. Let's not forget that even Mamata Banerjee had hinted that she is okay with the fact it's given to the CBI. However, she had set a time till Sunday, till Sunday. However, the High Court, it has given, this case to the CBI, and it has to be seen how the CBI, takes over from this particular case and, takes it forward from there. Back to you.
Suryagini, stay on with me. We are staying with this big news right now. The CBI team set to take over. But remember, the focus will be if the one accused who has been arrested, what the CBI will add on to. Is he the real accused? Are there more accused who are currently scot-free going around Kolkata? Perhaps they have been also involved in this brutal incident that has taken place. And therefore, remember, the allegation has been that because it's Bengal police, is it not independent enough right now to be investigating, because the individuals involved could be politically connected too. Suryagini, I'll come back to you in just a short while. Do update us as in when the CBI takes over the case file. There's been understandably national outrage on this case. Remember, it's about a woman, a doctor on duty at the safest place that's supposed to be, it's a hospital. She takes a moment of rest after an exhaustive duty, and what happens is a brutalizing crime. And therefore, the national outrage that's happened, not only within the medical fraternity, but also by the people at large. The High Court has transferred the probe to the CBI. Mamata government is under fire over probe lapses and medical college principal's reappointment. The probe agency will now take over the case files, including all CCTV footage in the case. The victim's bereaved father says he's not convinced with the investigation. He's demanding justice for the daughter. But victims' relatives have slammed the cops too. They are saying that why was the family told that this was a suicide case? Because when the family saw the body, which was also only allowed to them after 3 hours, but when they saw, they realized the brutalities inflicted were simply not suicide, and much more. The legs were tilted at a right angle, which is unnatural. Glasses were smashed into her face, and much worse. How can that be suicide?
এটা শুনুন, খুশি হওয়ার কিছু এমন কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছি না। আমরা ন্যায় বিচার চাইছি। যে এমন কিছু তো হয়নি যে কালকে আমার মেয়েটা বাড়ি চলে আসবে। আমার যেমন ডিউটি যায় প্রতিদিন সকালবেলা বিকালে আবার রিটার্ন চলে আসবে, সেরকম তো কিছু হয়নি এখনো। যখন কিছুটা বিচার পেলে আমাদের শরীরের শান্তি, মনের শান্তি, আমার মেয়েটার আত্মার শান্তি পাবে। আর কিছুই বলতে পারবো না।
एक पेरेंट्स जिनकी बच्ची 31 इयर्स ओल्ड की ऐसी खत्म हो जाती है, उनको 3 घंटा खड़ा रखा और ये हाथ जोड़ती रही, माँ बाप हाथ जोड़ते रहे, हमें एक बार दिखाओ, हमारी बच्ची का मुंह एक बार दिखाओ। हमको नहीं दिखाया गया। 3 घंटे तक खड़े रहने के बाद ये दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ अंदर जाते हैं सेमिनार रूम में, और ये पापा अपने डेड बॉडी ऑफ द गर्ल जिसके मुंह में खून था, फोटो खींच के लाके मुझे दिखाते हैं। उन बच्ची का शरीर में कोई कपड़ा नहीं था, पैर दोनों राइट एंगल में मिला गया। राइट एंगल में एक पांव बेड के इस तरफ, एक पांव बेड के इस तरफ मिला गया। जब तक पेल्विक गर्डल नहीं टूटता है, इस तरह 2 पांव को नहीं चीरा जा सकता है। चश्मे को कूटा गया, जिसके वजह से आंखों से खून निकल गया। गले में गला दबाकर मारा गया।
बंगाल में जो घटना यंग पीजी स्टूडेंट महिला के साथ हुई है, वह सच में दिल दहला देने वाली और दुनिया को, देश को झकझोर देने वाली घटना है। मैं इसकी निंदा भी करता हूं। मैं यहाँ ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि बंगाल एक ऐसा प्रदेश बन गया है जहां कानून व्यवस्था नाम की कोई चीज नहीं रह गई है।
आज सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए राय आए हैं, हम स्वागत करते हैं। आर्जीकर में जो डॉक्टर का जो एक बच्ची का जो ऐसे मौत हो गया है, ऐसे खून हो गया है इसको, तो इसका सीबीआई जांच से हमको पता चलेगा कि इसके साथ कौन सा लोग जुड़े हुए हैं। बंगाल का जनता जानना चाहते हैं, बंगाल का बेटी लोग जानना चाहते हैं, बंगाल का माँ बाप लोग जानना चाहते हैं, बंगाल का परिवार लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि सच सामने आए। और जब तक सच सामने नहीं आएगा तो हम लोग आवाज उठाएंगे, और ऐसे ही हम लोग जब तक इसका विचार ना हो जाए ये आंदोलन चलेगा।
There's something sick about this, and certainly the criminal must be apprehended. I had read that the Chief Minister had given the police 1 week to solve the crime, and now it turns out the CBI has been roped in. If they have greater expertise and experience of all this, let them make their contribution. But it is essential that the wrongdoer be found, punished, and the punishment be such that no one is at all tempted to do anything similar.